Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to quickly walk you through how to go through the online course development project and show you a few of the things that are in this course shell. So the first page that you're going to land on is the announcements page. We tend not to use the announcements very often because if we find email easier, we can add attachments to it easier, and not everybody checks the announcements. Along the left hand side here we have the About section. This is going to give you a little bit of information about what the online course development project is, what the goals are, what the objectives are. Ultimately, what we're here to do is help you develop the skills and abilities to design and build an online course. And as well, we're going to try and give you the skills to manage the course during delivery as well, because once you're done with the OCDP, it doesn't mean that our job is done here. We're always willing and able to help teachers out with the actual running of their course as well. And here Amy's included a list of topics as well, so you have the topic for each given week. These dates haven't been changed yet and might change depending on whatever semester this is running in, but we have our topics for each week. And then we also, along the right hand side, have some suggested deliverables as well. So these are going to help you keep on pace to finish your course in 14 weeks. So if you have your instructor bio posted by week 3, if you have an up-to-date course outline posted by week 5, if you follow these deliverables by the end of week 14, you'll have got the entire course completed and be ready for review. So you can see here by the end of the OCDP, you're expected to have done the following: a completed online course, including assessments, and content. And at the end of it, we're going to take this Ontario Learn Quality Assurance checklist and sort of run your course through that checklist, and also sort of take your course as if we're students as well, and look for any potential problems or things that need clarifying from a student's perspective. You'll also have meetings, so we can have one-on-one meetings with each of you to discuss things individually, and we're also going to have group meetings every week to discuss good online pedagogical practices. So if we scroll back up, here is some information about myself, Mark Dorsey, and Amy as well, and some of our contact information. We've got the startup checklist here, so you can't actually click in it, but can you mentally check off the following areas in order to make sure that you're ready to get started with the online course development project. So take a look at that, and then the area that you're going to be using most frequently is this weekly topics area. And here are each of the folders for each of the given weeks. We've got 14 weeks, just like a regular course that students would take, and you can do it. We recommend setting aside one period of time each week to go through each weekly content. And this follows the Ontario Learn Checklist guidelines. So this is what we're encouraging students, or teachers rather, to use this format when constructing their course as well, and that you'll have your introduction, you'll have some learning objectives here, and then you'll have a list maybe of weekly things that they need to do, that students need to do. Here's a weekly list of things that you can do in week 1. Here's the startup checklist again. In week 1, we're asking you to fill out this tech readiness questionnaire and watch a few videos, and then every week should have a brief summary as well. And the intro and summary in your own course act as the same way you would start and begin and then end class in an actual face-to-face classroom as well, reminding students of what it is that you're going to be doing that week, what it is that they have on tap next week, if there's any assessments that are due. So each week, definitely recommend setting aside some time to go into these folders on each given week when it's relevant, and have a look through that material, and that'll help you understand a lot of the pedagogy behind developing an online course and designing an online course. Here as well, we have numerous different tip sheets and videos that can help you, show you how to do technical things in Blackboard, so have a look through those if you have some areas that you need a little brushing up on. And then as well, we have this About course template, and this course template can be put into your course, and it saves you a little bit of time from having to recreate numerous different things that we've already created. So you can see here we've got this area for the syllabus, for the course outline, icon glossary, tips, how to communicate in a course, and you're more than welcome to put this in your own course, and it'll save you the time from having to use that, or you can use this as a guideline to create your own. As well, here we've got a discussion area, and so you're going to use this form, post an introductory message to the group. Some other weeks throughout you might be asked to do another discussion posting, and this just really gives us a chance to collaborate in an online environment, and as well you'll be asked to do a few things like discussion blogs and journals, and those types of things will introduce you to some of the collaboration and assessment tools that are in Blackboard and that you might want to consider utilizing for your own course. So I hope this video has been somewhat helpful in showing you how the OCDP is going to work and how to navigate through the system here. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask myself or Amy, and looking forward to working with all of you this semester.